Today, I'm challenging myself to uncover 10 secret life hacks that nobody has shared before, and I can't wait to see how they change my daily routine. You know, life hacks are all about simplifying our daily routines, making our lives easier, and increasing our productivity. And that's exactly what we're gonna do today. We're gonna dive into 10 secret life hacks that will make a huge difference in the way you approach everyday tasks. We've all been there, stuck in a route, feeling like there just aren't enough hours in the day to get everything done. You are constantly running behind, feeling disorganized, and struggling to stay on top of things. But what if I told you there are simple solutions to these common problems? Solutions that can help you manage your time more efficiently, stay organized, and get more done in less time. We all struggle with procrastination, staying focused, and avoiding distractions. And let's be real, who hasn't lost their keys, phone, or wallet at some point? These everyday challenges can be frustrating, but they don't have to be. With the right tools and strategies, you can overcome these obstacles and start achieving your goals. Imagine having more free time, being more productive, and feeling more in control of your daily routine. That's what these 10 secret life hacks can do for you. Here's my first hack: using a straw to clean between your keyboard keys. It's genius. Who would have thought that something as simple as a straw could make such a big difference? But it's not just about cleaning your keyboard, it's about creating habits that help you stay organized and focused. My second hack is using a binder clip to organize your cables. It's so simple, yet so effective. No more tangled cords or lost charging cables. And it's not just about being more organized, it's about reducing stress and increasing productivity. My third hack is using a dryer sheet to repel mosquitoes. Who knew that something as simple as a dryer sheet could keep those pesky mosquitoes at bay? And it's not just about avoiding bug bites, it's about enjoying the outdoors without the nuisance of mosquitoes. My fourth hack is using a hair dryer to remove wrinkles from a shirt. It's a game changer. No more ironing, no more steaming, just a quick blast of hot air and your shirt is wrinkle-free. And it's not just about looking professional, it's about saving time and increasing your confidence. But my most impressive hack has to be using a silicone spatula to remove stickers. It's mind-blowing. No more struggling, no more peeling, just a quick scrape and the sticker is gone. And it's not just about removing stickers, it's about finding creative solutions to everyday problems. This hack has the potential to significantly change your daily routine. Imagine being able to remove stickers with ease, without the hassle and frustration. It's a total game changer. So, which of these life hacks has impressed you the most? Have you ever tried any of these before? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have a favorite life hack, be sure to share it with us. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content.